Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI Anti-HBc CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI Anti-HBc CLIA Chemiluminescence Immunoassay method. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml FITC label, 6.5 ml ABI label, 6.5 ml buffer, 1 ml negative control, 1 ml positive control. Here we can see the reference number of this kit 130210023M, lot number then expiry date. Here we can see that this is a C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This product is from China and the origin of this product is China. Here we can see the manufacturing details. This is the overall representation of this product, and I am going to see the another angles. On this side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the other side we can see the product name MAGLUMI Anti-HBc, reference number 130210023M, then lot number, then expiry date also. This is the overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, the first product is instruction manual. Provided by Snibe Diagnostics. Here we can see the product name MAGLUMI Anti-HBc CLIA Chemiluminescence Immunoassay method. This is C certificate IVD product. The reference number of this product is 130210023M, 100 test per kit. In this instruction manual contains one indent use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability. Lot of stuff in this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. And the next one is a reagent seal, MAGLUMI reagent seal, Anti-HBc, total of 3 nurses, 1, 2 and 3. And keep this aside. And the next one is a control stickers. The first 4 one is positive control. Here we can see clearly Anti-HBc positive control, total of 4 nurses. And the second 4 one is Anti-HBc negative control, 4 nurses. Total of 8 nurses. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is the positive control, negative control packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this. Here we can see clearly the red color cap is positive control and the white color cap is negative control. Now I am going to take this one. Here we can see clearly MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml Anti-HBc positive control. Here also see the values of target value and range. I am going to take the second one. Here we can see clearly MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml Anti-HBc negative control. Here also we can see the range values. I am going to keep this aside. And the final one is MAGLUMI Anti-HBc reagent kit. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml FITC label, 6.5 ml ABA label, 6.5 ml buffer. And also see the lot number, then expiry date. This is a C certificate IVD product. We can also handle this reagent kit to the upward side. Now I am going for summary. Today we can see about the Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Anti-HBc CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, a MAGLUMI reagent seal Anti-HBc, then positive control and negative control stickers, then positive control, negative control, volume of 1 ml each bottle, then a reagent kit, 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml FITC label, 6.5 ml ABA label, 6.5 ml buffer. Thank you.